Have you ever wondered who ensures the quality of the products we use every day? Well, let's dive into the world of manufacturing and focus our spotlight on the unsung heroes of the production line, quality controllers. These dedicated professionals play a pivotal role in safeguarding the standards of the goods we rely on, from our morning coffee makers to the vehicles that get us from point A to point B. So, what exactly is quality control? Simply put, it's a systematic process of ensuring that products meet specified standards and customer expectations. In the realm of manufacturing, this means closely monitoring and inspecting raw materials, production processes, and the finished goods. Quality control isn't just about ticking boxes for regulatory compliance, it's about delivering products that consistently meet or exceed customer expectations, making it the linchpin that holds a manufacturer's reputation for high-quality goods. Quality control in manufacturing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, it's a multifaceted process with several distinct stages, each playing a vital role in maintaining the overall quality of the finished product. First up, we have incoming quality control, or IQC. This is the first line of defense against defects, where raw materials are inspected for any discrepancies before they even enter the production line. Next is in-process quality control, or IPQC. This stage involves monitoring the actual manufacturing process to ensure that all procedures are followed to the letter and that the product is shaping up as expected. Last but not least, we have outgoing quality control, or OQC. This is the final checkpoint before the product leaves the factory. Here, finished goods are meticulously inspected to ensure they meet all the necessary standards and specifications. At every stage, quality controllers play a crucial role in maintaining product integrity. Quality controllers are the unsung heroes of the production line. They are the vigilant guardians of quality, with a keen eye for detail, an in-depth understanding of product specifications, and the ability to make swift, informed decisions. Their role is critical in inspecting raw materials, performing in-process checks, and examining finished products. Their watchful eyes scrutinize every element, every process, every output, ensuring that nothing substandard slips through. The responsibilities of quality controllers don't end there. They are also tasked with identifying the root causes of defects and imperfections, providing actionable feedback that aids in the development of corrective measures. They work tirelessly to minimize errors, ensuring that every product that leaves the factory floor is the best it can be. Quality controllers are the last line of defense against defects and imperfections. Their dedication and diligence ensure that the products we use every day are safe, reliable, and of the highest quality. Quality control is not an isolated operation. It involves collaboration and cutting-edge tools. Quality control is a cross-functional endeavor, linking the vigilant eyes of quality controllers with the practical hands of production, the analytical minds of engineering, and the logistical wizardry of supply chain management. Together, these teams form a robust, integrated system designed to uphold the highest standards of product quality. Quality controllers engage in constant dialogue with other departments, sharing their insights and findings to drive continuous improvement. They work hand in hand with the production team, ensuring that manufacturing processes are fine-tuned to minimize defects. They liaise with engineers to understand the nuances of product specifications and to troubleshoot any technical issues that may arise. Collaborating with logistics, they ensure that quality assurance continues even after the product leaves the production line, overseeing the safe and efficient delivery of goods to the end customer. But collaboration is just one part of the equation. Quality control also leverages modern tools and technologies to augment human expertise. One such tool is the automated inspection system. Automated inspection systems employ cutting-edge technologies like machine vision and artificial intelligence. These systems can rapidly scan products, identifying defects and anomalies with a speed and precision that surpasses human capabilities. Not only does this increase the efficiency of the quality control process, but it also enhances its effectiveness, catching defects that might otherwise slip through the cracks. In the modern manufacturing landscape, quality controllers are not just inspectors, but technologists. They are adept at navigating the digital tools at their disposal, harnessing the power of technology to uphold the integrity of the products we use every day.